Hello student, as I said earlier, I'm again back with a video series of class 11. Our next topic to be discussed is concentration. It is very important term, concentration. What is the meaning of concentration? Let's understand. It is actually a term which describes the relative amount of solute and solvent present in a given solution. Okay, let me repeat one more time. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टर्म हमारा एक ऐसा टर्म है जो हमें किसी भी सॉल्यूशन में प्रेजेंट सोल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट की रिलेटिव अमाउंट के बारे में जानकारी देता है. ठीक है, मींस द टर्म व्हिच डिस्क्राइब्स द रिलेटिव अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट प्रेजेंट इन सॉल्यूशन, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. अब कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को एक्सप्रेस करने के कई सारे तरीके हमारे सिलेबस में हैं. वन बाय वन हम उनको देखेंगे, बट पहले उनको एक जगह पे नाम देख लेते हैं. पहला एक टर्म है परसेंट वेट बाय वेट. इसको हम लोग परसेंट डब्ल्यू बाई डब्ल्यू भी लिखा मिल सकता है, हो सकता है आपको मास बाई मास लिखा मिल जाए, पर एक ही है. पहला परसेंट वेट बाई वेट. दूसरा परसेंट वेट बाय वॉल्यूम, मतलब इसको हम शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं परसेंट डब्ल्यू बाय वी. तीसरा परसेंट वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम, इसको हम शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं परसेंट वी बाय वी. चौथा है मोलैरिटी, ये नया है आपके लिए, आपने नहीं सुना है. मोलैलिटी, मोल फ्रैक्शन एंड पार्ट्स पर मिलियन. So these are the 7 methods by which we can describe concentration of solute and solvent in a given solution. तो ये 7 methods हैं. ठीक, इनके अलावा भी कुछ methods हैं, बट मेनली हम इन 7 का ही यूज करते हैं. और आपके लिए मैं बता देता हूं कि जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म है वो ये दोनों ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, परसेंट वेट बाय वॉल्यूम. एक मोलैरिटी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मोलैलिटी और मोल फ्रैक्शन. ये टर्म तो मतलब आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसके बारे में तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से कमांड होनी चाहिए. यू शुड नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दीज टर्म, नॉट ओनली द टर्म्स, यू शुड नो इट्स मीनिंग, फिजिकल सेंस, एवरीथिंग. ओके, लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. Now, first term is percent W by W, percent weight by weight. मान लीजिए मैं आपसे बोलता हूं कि I have X percent W by W. Let's take a name of a solute. कोई एक solute ले लेते हैं हम लोग. Let's say H2SO4. तो X, if I have X percent W by W H2SO4, तो it means, इसका मतलब क्या होगा? What will be the meaning of X percent W by W H2SO4 means? It will mean if I take 100 gram of solution, if I take, cut it here, यहां से नहीं, इससे पहले दोबारा से लिखना है. Now, first term is percent weight by weight. Percent weight by weight, how will we define percent weight by weight? We define it like this: amount of solute present in 100 gram of solution. Percent weight by weight means it is the amount of solute present in 100 gram of solution. Means if you take 100 gram of solution, whatever the weight of solute will be present there, that will be called percent weight by weight. Means if I write X percent weight by weight, let's take a name of a solute, let's take NaCl. X percent weight by weight NaCl means, X percent weight by weight NaCl means, it will mean if I take 100 gram of solution, if I take 100 gram of solution, so this solution will contain how much gram of NaCl? X gram of NaCl. Repeating the same means, अब x कैन बी एनीथिंग, x की जगह आप जो मन करे वो रख सकते हो. लाइक अगर मैंने लिख दिया इफ आई रोट 20% वेट बाय वेट NaCl, तो व्हाट विल बी द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? मीनिंग विल बी 100 gram of solution will have 20 ग्राम ऑफ NaCl। ठीक है, जो भी आप x की वैल्यू रखना चाहते हो ये रख सकते हो, उसके हिसाब से ये सीन निकल करके चला जाता है। ठीक, नाउ लेट्स डिराइव अ फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस परसेंट वेट बाय वेट। अब कैसे हम इसको डिराइव कर सकते हैं? लेट्स से वी हैव अ सॉल्यूशन, लेट्स से we have a solution which has W gram of solute in capital W gram of solution। ओके, हमने एक सॉल्यूशन लिया जिसमें W ग्राम सोल्यूट प्रेजेंट है, किसमें? कैपिटल W ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन में। अब जरा देखिएगा, मेरा मतलब मैं आप देखिए यूनिटरी मेथड, आई एम ट्राइंग टू राइट बाय द यूनिटरी मेथड, आई विल राइट इट लाइक दिस कि W ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन contains how many gram of solute? W gram। okay, so if I have 1 gram of such solution, उसी सोल्यूशन के 1 ग्राम में कितना हमारा वेट होगा सोल्यूशन का? W अपॉन W ग्राम। रिगार्डिंग द सेम, 1 ग्राम में हमारा कितना सोल्यूट होगा? W अपॉन W ग्राम। लेट मी राइट इट हियर, सोल्यूट। Now, so what about 100 gram? If I have 100 gram of solution, so it will contain how much gram of solute? It will contain W upon W into 100। W upon W into 100। ये इसी तरह है कि 1 rupees give me this much toffees, so 100 rupees will give me this much multiplied by 100 toffees। Regarding the same, okay, let's see one more time। So what this is coming? What is this? ये क्या आया है? ये आया है 100 ग्राम सॉल्यूशन में कितना सोल्यूट प्रेजेंट है, और 100 ग्राम सॉल्यूशन में जितना भी सोल्यूट प्रेजेंट होता है हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? परसेंट वेट बाय वेट। तो ये हमारा फॉर्मूला भी हो जाएगा कि परसेंट वेट बाय वेट इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल w अपॉन कैपिटल W इंटू 100। Remember, what is small w? It is weight of solute। What is capital W? Weight of solution। What is 100? 100 is for percentage only, you know। Okay, so this is our first formula for finding percent weight by weight। Percent weight by weight equals to weight of solute upon weight of solvent multiplied by 100। Okay, let's move forward। Now let's see, next is percent weight by volume। Percent weight by volume। Now see, how many changes I will make here? I will make small changes, like definition will be amount of solute present in, this time I will not write 100 gram of solution, instead I will write 100 ml of solution। Are you getting this thing? Why I am writing ml here? Because this here V is written, see first term it is written for solute and the second term is written for solution। You getting this? So if I write the percent W by percent weight by volume, तो it means कि amount of solute present in 100 ml of solution। मतलब अगर मैं किसी solution का 100 ml ले लूं तो उसमें जितना भी weight present होगा solute का, वो weight क्या कहलाएगा? percent weight by volume। ध्यान रखिएगा इस चीज को। Okay, let's see, if I write x percent weight by volume NaCl, what will be the meaning? How many changes will be coming here? So changes will be 100 gram of solution, no, it will become 100 ml of solution, because first ये तो वॉल्यूम टर्म है, ये सॉल्यूशन के बारे में बताता है, दिस V, और पहले वाले केस में W लिखा था तो मैंने यहाँ पे 100 ग्राम लिखा था। तो परसेंट 100 ml of solution will contain how many gram of NaCl? X gram of NaCl। You getting this thing? So suppose मैं बोल दूं कि मेरे पास I have 20% weight by volume NaCl, 20% weight by volume NaCl, तो इसका क्या मतलब होगा कि 20 ग्राम NaCl प्रेजेंट होगा 100 ml सॉल्यूशन में। क्लियर बात? देखो जरा आगे मैं देखता हूं, लेट्स से वी हैव अ सॉल्यूशन व्हिच हैज W ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूट प्रेजेंट इन, नाउ दिस टाइम आई कैन नॉट राइट weight, आई एम राइटिंग V ml of solution। Okay, so how many changes will occur here? Now I'm writing by unitary method कि V ml of solution contains W gram of solute. So 1 ml of solution will contain W upon V gram of solute. Okay, why I am doing this? I am trying to find weight of solute present in 100 ml of solution. तो मेरे पास VML solution था, उसमें मुझे दिया गया था वेट कितना है, तो I am trying to find the weight of solute present in 100 ml of solution. So यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, 100 ग्राम की बजाय we will write 100 ml of solution contains W upon V into 100. So now this is the formula for what? Percent weight by volume. तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या लिख दूंगा, percent weight by V equals to W upon V into 100. Are you getting this thing? Okay. Similar to your percent weight by weight. But remember what change has occurred? We have replaced weight of solution by volume of solution. Rest everything is same. तो परसेंट वेट बाय वेट और परसेंट वेट बाय वॉल्यूम कोई बहुत ज्यादा टर्म डिफर नहीं करता है. एक में हम देखते हैं 100 ग्राम सॉल्यूशन में कितना वेट है सोल्यूट का, और एक में देखते हैं 100 ml ऑफ सॉल्यूशन में कितना वेट है सोल्यूट का. एक में वेट 100 ग्राम में देखते हैं, एक में 100 ml में देखते हैं. फॉर्मूला में बहुत माइन्यूट सा डिफरेंस आता है. क्लियर है बात? ओके, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. नेक्स्ट टर्म वाज परसेंट वेट वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम. परसेंट वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम. ओके, now let's see. This time I will not write amount of solute present. See, पहला वाला टर्म बताता है solute और जो दोबारा वाला भी लिखा है बताता है solution. So this time I will write volume of solute present in 100 ml of solution. Volume of solute present in 100 ml of solution. ये क्या होगा हमारा percent V by V. सब कुछ सेम रहेगा. बस अब देखिए NaCl चूंकि सॉलिड है, NaCl इज अ सॉलिड, सो वी कांट राइट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ NaCl. लेट्स राइट अ लिक्विड हियर. लेट्स से X% V by V H2SO4. So what will be the meaning of this? It will have meaning कि 100 ml of solution will contain X ml of H2SO4. X ml of H2SO4. I hope you are getting this. Okay, क्या किया हमने, बस अब वॉल्यूम दोनों ही टर्म वॉल्यूम के बन गए, बस इतना सा डिफरेंस आया है. Okay, let's say we have a solution which has not W gram but V ml solute present in, yeah, small v कर लेते हैं, let's make it a small v ml of solute present in capital V ml of solution. So how will I derive the formula? If V ml of solution contains not W gram of solute, instead I will write V ml of solute. So 1 ml will contain same thing V ml of V by V ml of solute. Okay, and 100 ml will contain small v upon capital V multiplied by 100 ml of solute. ये क्या निकल के आया? What is this? This is the volume of solute present in 100 ml of solution. So whatever the volume of solute present in 100 ml of solution is called what? Percent weight by percent volume by volume. So now you have a new formula. Percent volume by volume equals to volume of solute upon volume of solution multiplied by 100. But remember, percent volume by volume will be used very rare in our syllabus. बहुत कम जगहों पर परसेंट वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम पर यूज होगा. मोस्टली टाइम यू विल बी सीइंग परसेंट वेट बाय वेट और परसेंट वेट बाय वॉल्यूम. ओके, तो हाउ मेनी केसेस वी हैव कवर्ड? वी हैव कवर्ड 3 cases, not 1 but not 2, 3. All 3 are similar. Okay, let's move forward. Now, fourth one is molarity. Molarity is also written as capital M. Let me tell you one thing very clear. It is not just important, it is महा इंपॉर्टेंट समझते हैं आप लोग भाई. एक होता है इंपॉर्टेंट, एक होता है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एक होता है वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो ये वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट से भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है महा इंपॉर्टेंट. मतलब जैसे देवों को देव महादेव, वैसे ही इंपॉर्टेंट के इंपॉर्टेंट महा इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और यू कैन से इट इज महा इंपॉर्टेंट. यू विल बी सीइंग दिस टर्म थ्रू आउट योर केमिस्ट्री. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. मोलारिटी. What is the meaning of molarity? Let me write the definition first. It means moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution is called molarity. मतलब if you take 1 liter of solution, अगर आप 1 liter solution ले लो, so whatever the mole of solute will be present there, whatever the moles, remember, whatever the moles of solute will be present there, it will be called molarity of that solution. Okay, are you getting this? Very well. Now I can write one thing here. Let's say I write XmNaOH. XmNaOH. How do we read it? We read it like this: X molar. This capital M is called molar. Molar NaOH. We read it like this. And how do we mention it in formula? So XmNaOH means X moles of NaOH are present in 1 liter of solution. Repeating the same. X moles of NaOH are present in 1 liter of solution. Now you can put any value of X. आपका जो मन करे वो X की values ले लो. जैसे अगर आप चाहो तो you can take let's say 2mH2SO4. So how will we read it? हम कैसे इसको पढ़ेंगे? We will read it as like कि 2 molar H2SO4. 2 molar H2SO4. Now see, let me show you here. So 2 molar H2SO4 means, tell me what will the meaning of this? It will mean 2 moles of H2SO4 are present in 1 liter of solution. Clear about? Okay. Any doubt you can ask immediately. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section as well. So 2 moles of H2SO4 are present in 1 liter of solution. This is the meaning of 2mH2SO4. Why I am emphasizing so much on this term? What is the meaning of this? Because unless we know what is the sense of this term, we will not be able to solve further questions. हमें फॉर्मूला आए ना आए, डजंट मैटर कि फॉर्मूला आए या ना आए, लेकिन इसका फिजिकल सेंस हमें जरूर पता होना चाहिए कि इस टर्म का क्या मतलब है. ठीक, जैसे अब मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल ले लेता हूं. मान लीजिए जैसे मैंने बोला आई हैव 2mH2SO4 सॉल्यूशन. ओके, इसका व्हाट विल द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? 2 moles of H2SO4 are present in 1 liter of solution. Now I say कि I don't have 1 liter of such solution. I don't have 1 liter of such solution. मेरे पास 1 लीटर नहीं है इस टाइप के सॉल्यूशन का. I have 2 liters. I have 2 liters. तो मेरे पास क्या 2 ही मोल होंगे क्या टोटल? Will I have just 2 moles? No, I will have 2 times mole of 2 because 1 लीटर में 2 moles हैं. 1 liter contains 2 moles. So 2 liter will contain 4 moles for sure. Is this clear to us? Okay, let's move forward. Now let's derive the formula for finding molarity. So let's consider a solution which contains n mole of solute in x ml of solution. Okay, अगर हम लोग VML ले लें solution का तो उसमें कितने मोल solute के present है? n moles. So let me write it in unitary method. I will write in this manner: VML of solution contains x mole of solute. VML of solution contains x ml of solute. So tell me one thing: 1 ml of such solution will contain how many moles of solute? It will contain x upon v mole of solute. VML contains x moles, so 1 ml will contain x upon v moles. Any doubt? Okay, I hope so. Now we want to define molarity. हम molarity define करना चाहते हैं. So tell me one thing: how much volume is considered in molarity term? कितने वॉल्यूम सॉल्यूशन में हम लोग देखते हैं मोल्स? we check the moles in 1 liter of solution. So 1 liter solution means how many ml of solution? 1 liter means 1000 ml of solution. Now it will contain x upon v into, sorry, what I have written here, wait a second, I have committed a mistake. Instead of n, I have written x. So now let me write it n, and looks good. So it will be n into 1000 and divided by v moles of solute. What I have calculated here? I have calculated moles of solute present in 1000 ml of solution. बात समझ में आ रही है? 1000 ml solution में जितने भी moles present है मैंने वो calculate कर दिए. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझसे बोला गया था कि v ml solution में हमारे n moles present है. तो ये क्या निकाल दिया मैंने? ये मैंने निकाल दिया moles present in 1000 ml of solution. So what is the meaning of 1000 ml? 1000 ml means 1 liter. So actually I have derived number of moles present in 1 liter of solution. And what do we call the number of moles present in 1 liter solution? We call it molarity. So what is this? This is nothing but your molarity. Now molarity will be equals to moles of solute upon volume, and remember ml, multiply by 1000. Are you getting the same? Moles divided by volume in ml multiply by 1000. One more thing we can do like this: n upon v ml divided by 1000. VML divided by 1000. Now tell me, वॉल्यूम को ml को अगर 1000 से डिवाइड करें तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? What we will get if we divide ml in by 1000? We will get volume in liter. So it will come as small n upon v in liter. Okay, let me write it one more time. I'm writing here molarity equals to moles of, let me write it here, moles of solute upon volume in ml multiplied by 1000, and this will be again equals to how much? It will be equals to moles upon volume in liter. This is a very important formula. Molarity equals to moles of solute divided by volume in ml into 1000, and it will also be equals to moles of solute divided by volume in liter. Remember, if you have volume in ml, we will use first formula, this one. If we have volume in liter, we will use this formula. जो भी आपको दिया जाए आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चन को करेंगे. ml में वॉल्यूम दे तो इसको यूज करिए, लीटर में वॉल्यूम दे तो इसको यूज करिए. Are you getting this thing? Okay, let's move forward. Here only I am deriving one more small thing. We have already written this. Molarity equals to moles upon volume in ml multiplied by 1000, and it is also equals to moles upon volume in liter. Okay, so if I write this, tell me what will be the value of this? M into V ml. M into V ml. मतलब V से I have multiplied it here, so it will come as N into 1000. And M into V liter. M into V liter, it will come as M. So you're getting the same. Now what I have written this? What is this? This is written N into 1000. मतलब moles multiplied by 1000. Okay. So remember, I hope you understand this. कि what do we get if we multiply meter with 1000? अगर 1 मीटर में कितने 1 मीटर को अगर 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं फॉर यूनिट कन्वर्जन, सो व्हाट वी विल गेट? 1 मीटर इक्वल्स टू 1000 मिलीमीटर. आर यू गेटिंग दिस थिंग? 1 liter equals to how many milliliter? 1000 milliliter. Are you getting this thing? Without changing the term, if we simply change the unit by 1000, by multiplying it by 1000, we get milli. So here also, if we multiply mole, what is this? This is mole, and if we multiply it with 1000, so we will get millimoles. We will get millimoles. Are you getting this thing? Moles multiplied by 1000 millimoles. This term will be used quite much in our upcoming topics. Remember this. कि moles को जैसे वही है कि if you multiply liter with 1000 you get milliliter. If you multiply meter with 1000 you get millimeter. So in the same manner, if you multiply moles with 1000 you get millimoles. So millimoles will be equal to how much? Moles, molarity multiplied by volume in ml. And moles will be equal to how much? Moles equals to molarity multiplied by volume in liter. I hope you are getting this. Okay, moving forward. The next term is molality. Molality, it is litty, it is not ritty. Molality we denote it by small m, इसको small m से denote करेंगे, and it will be, its definition will be moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent, not in 1 kg of solution, 1 kg of solvent. Okay, one more time I am defining. If I take 1 kg of solvent, okay, so whatever the moles of solute will be present there, that will be called molality of that solution. Is this thing clear? Okay. Let's say if I write X M NaOH. Firstly, how will we read it? We will read it as X molal NaOH. वहां पे मोलर था, यहाँ मोलल है. Here it is molal. So X M NaOH is how will we read it? हम इसे पढ़ेंगे X molal NaOH. And what will be the sense of this? It will mean कि 1 kg of solvent contains how much moles of NaOH? X moles of NaOH. Are you getting the same? Okay. One more. Let's say I have written 2.5 m NaCl. What is the meaning of this? It means if I take 1 kg of solvent, remember it is not solution, it is solvent, so it contains 2.5 moles of NaCl. Are you getting this? Very well. Let's move forward. Now, just like I derived the formula for molarity, I will derive the formula for molality. And how will we do this? Let's see. Let's consider a solution. Consider a solution which contains n moles of solute in W gram of solvent. Let's consider a solution which contains n moles of solute in W gram of solvent. Okay, so we have to find the molality of this solution. You can consider this finding as a question, or you can consider this finding as a formula. See how? Let me write in unitary method. By unitary method, I will write W gram of solvent contains, tell me, how many moles of solute? N moles of solute. So 1 gram of solvent will contain how much moles of solute? Small n upon capital W moles of solute. Are you getting the same? Okay. W gram contains n moles, so 1 gram will contain n by W moles. But मैं क्या करना चाह रहा हूं? I am trying to find molality. और molality कैसे find करते हैं? We find molality. What is the molality? Number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. 1 kg means how many grams? 1000 grams. So 1 gram contains this many moles of solute. So 1000 gram of solvent will contain how many moles of solute? Small n upon capital W multiplied by 1000 moles of solute. 1000 gram means 1 kg. So 1 kg solvent contains this much moles of solute, and 1 kg of solvent contains whatever number of moles of solutes, we call it molality. तो जो भी मोल्स हमारे 1 kg सॉल्वेंट में है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? मोलालिटी. तो मोलालिटी विल बी इक्वल्स टू moles of solute upon weight in gram multiply by 1000. अच्छा, जैसे मैंने मोलारिटी में किया था 1000 से डिवाइड कर दिया था और लाइक उसको वेट इन वॉल्यूम in लीटर कर दिया था. Similarly, I can do same here. We can divide to bring 1000 here. So gram upon 1000 will become weight in kg. So let me write it one more time. N upon W in kg. So this is the formula for finding molality. Molality is very, very important to us. you will see a chapter in class 12 called liquid solution. There will be a colligative property, and you will see we are using only molality term over there. Okay, so molality is very important to us, but not as much as molarity. Molarity is more important. Remember this. Okay, moving forward. Okay, next thing is mole fraction. Mole fraction, we read it as X, but actually it is chi. Okay, so mole fraction means it is fraction of moles of a particular substance present in a solution. नाम से ही पता चल रहा है मोल फ्रैक्शन, मोल का फ्रैक्शन को हमें मोल का फ्रैक्शन लेना है. We have to take the fraction of moles. So mole fraction, how will we write it as? We will write it as moles of a substance A, moles of a substance divided by total moles. This is your mole fraction. Repeating the same means, let's say I have a solution. I have a solution here. A is present and B is present. Let's say C is also present. There are three things present in one solution. For A, I have Na moles. For B, I have Nb moles. For C, I have Nc moles. Okay. So if I want to write mole fraction of A, so how will I write mole fraction of A? It will be written as moles of A means Na upon total moles. How many total moles are present? Na plus Nb plus Nc. Not just this, you can write like this also. Xb, mole fraction of B. How will I write it? Nb upon Na plus Nb plus Nc. मतलब अगर आपको मोल फ्रैक्शन निकालना है तो उस चीज के मोल्स ले लीजिए, डिवाइड कर दीजिए किससे? टोटल मोल्स से. So Xb equals to this much. How will be Xc? How will I calculate Xc? Xc will be moles of C divided by moles of A plus moles of B plus moles of C. This is your Xc. Okay. Let's do one more thing. Let's calculate this thing. Xa plus Xb plus Xc. देखिए कितना आ रहा है? Xa plus Xb plus Xc. See, denominator is same in all three cases. So that will be the LCM. Na plus Nb plus Nc. Now here I have what will come. LCM is same, denominator is same, so it will simply come as Na plus Nb plus Nc, and totally it will come as 1. Means mathematically, how can I write it? I can write in this manner. I can write like this: is sigma means summation of mole fraction equals to 1. Sigma of mole fraction equals to 1. So this is very important relation. इस सबके मोल फ्रैक्शन का सम क्या होगा हमारे सॉल्यूशन में? 1. Are you getting this thing? Very good. Now next is parts per million. Parts per million means ppm. Now see, how will we define it? We will define it as parts of solute present in 10 to the power 6 part of solution. What is 10 to the power 6? Million. So whatever the part of solute will be present in 1 million part of solution, that will be called ppm, means parts per million. मतलब अगर आप 10 to the power 6 पार्ट ले लें, पार्ट मतलब कुछ भी, वॉल्यूम्स, वॉल्यूम ले लीजिए, मास ले लीजिए, कुछ भी ले लीजिए, तो 10 to the power 6 पार्ट अगर आप ले लीजिए तो उसमें जितने भी पार्ट सोल्यूट के प्रेजेंट होंगे उस पार्ट को हम क्या नाम देंगे? पार्ट्स पर मिलियन. मींस इफ आई राइट x ppm, let's say Na2CO3, so what will be the meaning of this? It will have the meaning कि 10 to the power 6 gram of solution, 10 to the power 6 gram of solution contains, मैंने यहाँ ग्राम लिया, I have taken gram here, so it will contain x gram of Na2CO3. Repeating the same. Although it is not that important here, at least at some places it can be asked, but इतना important नहीं है. Okay. So if I want to derive the formula, I am deriving a formula by taking a case. I am taking a case. Consider a solution which contains small w gram of solute in capital W gram of solvent. Oh, sorry, solution. Find ppm. Screen pause करिए and try to find out the formula of ppm on your own. Okay, and write the formula right now. This is the formula for finding ppm. Weight of solute upon weight of solution multiplied by 10 to the power 6. It is just like I have derived the formula of molarity, percent weight by volume, percent weight by weight, like that. Okay, moving forward. I told you that these are the 7 which are important to us. Now let's write 8. One more. One free. That is gram per liter. Or simply G per L. Gram per liter. Now see. Gram per liter, as name suggests. What will be the definition? It is amount of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Are you getting this thing? Amount of solute present in 1 liter of solution, that will be called gram per liter concentration. Are you getting this? See, why I am saying grams per liter separately? Because gram per liter, if you just pay attention to the term gram per liter, means grams present in liter. Whatever amount is present in 1 liter of solution in grams, that will be called gram per liter concentration, and the formula will be gram per liter equals to, you have to derive it on your own. I'm simply writing weight of solute upon volume in liter. You have to derive it on your own. Okay, fine. So by this time we have studied the concentration terms, their proper meaning. In the next video, I will tell you we will discuss the problem based upon this concentration term, and one more thing, we will try to interrelate these two things. Means there are 8 terms I have discussed, we will try to relate them. Okay, see you.